Here we go. Oh yeah.
Hold me close till I get out. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
All right, y'all, walking up in here, and there he is, sitting right over there. I'm talking about the RC car. So this is going to be, like I said, a quick unboxing of the all-new Arrma Mojave 4S. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you both colors, and then we're going to do a quick side-by-side comparisons. But we're also going to see if the center diff is compatible with some of their 2S and 3S models as well. So we got Hunter sitting right here, and he's going to go ahead and he's going to open this up and give us a quick unboxing of this and take a quick look at it. We here and see you over there. Here we go. Oh yeah, even though my nose is a little stopped, we can still see this here. So, all right, so we're gonna pull this out real quick and then show you guys what you get inside here. All right, there it is. I'm gonna quit my yap and I'm gonna let this man talk. Unless he wants me to talk. All right, so we got both of these out. You guys can see both of the colors there, and they actually look good, whichever one you get. I actually thought that this orangish red one would look better than the blue, red, white, blue one, but the red, white, blue one looks pretty good too. So anyway, he's gonna take this off because he's looked at this a little bit more. He knows a little bit more about it than I do. The mic is on you.
All right, so these are gonna come with your new chassis. So we got the new chassis on here. So it's got the new wider style chassis, and it's also got the center diff, which is now an oil fill diff. So you get rid of the slipper clutch. They did all new A-arms. It looks like they did new drive shafts as well. And looks like they put the normal 4S shocks on here. So other than that, it's your standard 4S truck. So
okay. That's a 120 amp speed controller, yeah, right?
Yeah.
And then it's
120 amp, and I think it's got the 2400 kV
and 2400 kV motor on there. And you guys see it also has the fan on the motor and also the heat sink. And then they also put that center bearing and that brace in there to be able to hold down some of that power there with that. But there you guys see there, I mean, it's got mud flaps on it. So it's not just a Sentin with the Mojave body. They actually went in and redid the chassis mode and stuff like that. One thing you guys should pay close attention to is going to be this battery tray. The battery tray does look like it may be limited to not fitting longer batteries in it. But as I get through reviewing this and stuff, I'll let you guys know about the specifications of the battery tray. But I'll put that down in the description below so you guys can see it. As he mentioned, does have adjustable turnbuckles front and rear. The shocks are not threaded body, so you do have to have spacers in there to adjust that. And you guys see the bottom of the chassis, kind of the way that's laid out and stuff. And for the tires, y'all know I love doing that. I'd bite the tires, but I have my hand on them already. And these are 17mm hexes and stuff on here too. And it does have kind of the same design as far as the wheelie bar is concerned that was on the Sentin and stuff. And the body looks to be constructed pretty good. Looks to be pretty strong. It's got skid plates on the top of it. And of course, it's got the tethers for the body and stuff on there for the body clips and stuff. So anyway, that's enough looking at this. You guys know it comes with this radio right here. We don't have to go through all that. It does have your different throttle modes on there, 50, 70, and 100% and stuff like that. So we're going to get a quick battery in here, and we're actually going to test it here in this video outside. And then later on, we're going to do a speed test and jump test and all this stuff. But I do want to at least unbox this and show this to you guys and get a quick running video so you guys can see this. And then stay tuned, of course, in the next couple of days, Super Speed Saturday, off-road test, blah, 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 yada, yada, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So let's get a battery. We're going to get this in here. We're going to get this out, and we're going to take it for a quick spin. All right, y'all, before we run this real quick, we have a Arrma Sentin here, and then we also have the new Mojave. So a lot of people are wondering if this center diff will fit up in here, and it doesn't look like it will. It just looks like, and Hunter, you tell me, it doesn't look like it's going to fit. It looks like this is actually made a little bit differently. Even if you could somehow get this to fit up in there, it's going to push everything forward with that.
It looks like this is too far out, so it's pushed back further.
You guys see that there?
On the Sentin, it's a lot shorter.
So I don't know. Maybe we'll see at some point in time, but at least wanted to point this out to you guys. You guys can see the different sizes, of course, of those two there. But one of the biggest questions was, can this actually fit in this? And this is going to be the same design as the Vendetta and all their other vehicles. So it doesn't look like they're compatible right there. It doesn't mean somebody's not going to try to go and mold and drill and configure something. But you guys can even see there. And like you said, this is pushed further forward. And that's pushed further backwards because it doesn't have, of course, that center dip and stuff in there. So anyway, want to show that to you guys. Let's get on and take this for a run. All right, y'all. He's going to test this out. I think he's got it at 50%. First, I turned it to 100.
It's at 50 now.
It's at 50 now. So he's going to test this at 50%, then 75%, and he's going to go all 100. The 50 or 75% is going to be like a 10-second run, just so you guys can see that. So he's smiling. He's over there cheese. He got that happy man smile. So, and this is on 4S. All right, that's 50%. He's gonna turn to 75%. That's 75. Nice. And here comes the car. We're gonna pause this for 1 second, and then we're gonna go to 100%. All right, we are at 100. That's what he's been waiting on. Wow. On his feet. You heard it? He said, oh my God. So he's talking about somebody's back here going to get one for his son, and he's seeing it run, and look at it. He's just like, woo. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. All right, traffic's getting a little crazy over here. He's gonna bring this back over for 1 second. Nice. All right, one more time for another second or two while these cars are all coming down here. Nice, that's actually jumping good. All right, y'all. Wanted to at least get this out and run this for, we got traffic, everybody's coming by looking and stuff. So wanted to at least get this out and run this for you guys real quick to see it. So get this out, I'm gonna be bashing this probably in the next day or so you guys stay tuned for that. We'll do a Super Speed Saturday test. I don't think it comes with a speed gear, but we're definitely gonna take it off-road and do some running and stuff. And like I said, Hobbytown Buford, Georgia. There's a link in the description. There's also their address and stuff. You guys want to come and check it. I think they only got about 6 or so in stock. So if you guys want to get one, you probably want to get up here pretty quickly if you're in the local area and pick one up. So don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.